Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be opening Amogus blind bag. Wow, look at it, it's so beautiful. Okay guys, I am very excited to open this Amogus blind bag. Werewolf kill. Full of betrayal and cooperation. An interesting game. Yes, I agree very much. Let's open up this bad boy. Oh my god, I am shaking in anticipation. Oh, what's this? We got the yellow Amogus card. Oh my god, I love the yellow Amogus! The color reminds me of my piss kink. I also got a pink Amogus, which I do not like because it is pink and I am a boy. What the fuck, I got a duplicate. This Amogus card game is a scam. But the cards are not what we're here for. Here's the big boy Amogus! He is red just like me. He also comes with a blue UFO, my favorite. Hold on, it won't stick on. Amogus. He looks so sussy. And sexy. I am very satisfied with this product, since I spent my surgery money on it. You should buy it too. I definitely recommend it.